ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್
ethical shop ಅಂದ್ರೆ ethical ethics ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಮೊದಲು
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ದಿನ ಇವತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಇಡೀ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೂಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು GFGC ವೇಮ್ಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಅಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳು, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಫೋಟೋಗಳು, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವೇನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್, ನಿಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಸ್, ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೀತದೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. ನೀವೆಂತ ಪುಣ್ಯವಂತರು ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲವರು ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ಮೋದಿ ಜೊತೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೋದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. ನಿಜ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತರು. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ಶಿಸ್ತನ್ನ ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್ ಈ ಥರ ನ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿತಿನ್ 5 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್, ಇಡೀ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಆಗ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕೊಂಬಾರ್ದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವಾಗ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾವು ನಿನ್ನೆ 500 rupees ಸೀಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಎಥಿಕಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾವೆ, ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕಾಸು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ರಿಯಲಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇವಾಗ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೆ, ಸರ್ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಬಾರಿ ಮೊತ್ತ ದೇಣಿಗೆಯನ್ನ ಎಥಿಕಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
means you are also from Kolar. We are all from one district. Clear? I am also like you. I am also like you. Or am I looking like a chimpanzee from Africa? I am also like you. You be comfortable with whatever I am communicating to you. Digest it properly, and at the end of the session we will have question and answer. I know this Kolar district gave first chief minister, great engineer Vishwesvaraya, and before that gold, sufficient gold to the entire world. That means Kolar district is a special district from where we are coming. In any language, my reply will be only in English because you are all qualified people. I know our Bengal college will teach you both English and, so that means you will be learning more Ganglish than English. Right? But I expect you all to speak only English in your college. Between you also, you should speak English. Let it be a useless English, no problem. As long as you communicate with your neighbor in English of whatever you know, that is more than sufficient. But no Kannada. Please stop it. Whatever our mother tongue is there, ನಮ್ಮ ನುಡಿ ಕನ್ನಡ, ನಾಡ ಕನ್ನಡ, ರಕ್ತ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಊಟ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಊಟ this English will take you to a different level. Please start communicating within yourself in English. Clear? And you will ask question in any language, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, any language. But my reply will be in English. Okay. My native place is Bevalli in Mulbagal Taluk. My parents are uneducated parents, only Tamil. And I studied my diploma in our Chintamani Polytechnic in 1970. In 1970, after completion of my diploma, I joined BEML, worked there for more than 23 years. My aim is, Matapati said something different, Kiran Matapati said something different. My aim is, I want to become rich. Make it very clear. I want to become rich. And rich to what extent? Comparison on that day was my uncle. Why my uncle? My lands are there, his lands are there. I have come to Kola, KGF for my job. He wanted and expected me that I will sell my land to you. But my mother is no way different than Indira Gandhi. I called her as Indira Gandhi during her lifetime. I nicknamed her as Indira Gandhi because for my family level, she was taking decisions like Indira Gandhi own. That is the reason why I was calling her. So like that in our life, someone will be there. Pick up that someone. He can be from your family or from your teaching staff or from relatives or anybody. See that you pick up all good things, only good things. Only good things you pick up and see that you shine them. So after working 23 years, when I joined BML, my salary was 260 rupees in 1970 September per month, 260 rupees per month. When I left BML in grade 2 officer, my salary was 4,700 rupees. It was no way sufficient for my expenses. My family was 14 members, Hindu undivided family. I was the only bread earner for the entire family. We were having lands like how we are having lands. My place also, in my place, that is no way different than this place. But I wanted to become rich. BML started Deccan Hydraulics with 5 employees. When I started Deccan Hydraulics, my target was, we were 3 brothers. Each brother should do a business of 20 lakhs. 20. 60 lakhs business if you do with BM. That would have been sufficient for us, for every family. But however, one should have some qualities. And I know each one of you have qualities of your own. You have your own qualities. Wake them up. You have a quality of getting along very well with your family members, your friends, etc. And all of you put together 400 and odd. From each one of you, you pick up all good things only. I repeat, pick up only good things, not bad things. If you go out, you will see variety of people. You will see variety of people. But don't pick the qualities of such people. Though I born in a remote village, I am doing business throughout the world. My customers are there in USA, Italy, France, Russia. We have warehouse in Sweden. From there we cater to Russia. We cater to Australia. All such things are there. And I name any Indian automobile industry. Ashok Leyland, we supply. Tata Motors, Eicher Motors, Bharat Benz, Isuzu Motors, Force Motors. These are all automobile giant companies in our country. We supply to all of them. Then construction industry like EML, Caterpillar, Volvo construction vehicles, L&T. All these are, I have forgotten some more customers. All these customers are BEML. They came to me and we are supplying. My all of customer is in Chandigarh. SMN Isuzu Motors. For them we supply hydraulic jacks for their vehicle. When the vehicle gets punctured, we supply hydraulic jacks to them. So that is the far off customer. How a person who is from this place worked in BML can do business with all giant companies of not only India, worldwide. We got in or 6 times we got state export award from Karnataka state. Then in 2021-22 we got Star Exporter of India award from Nirmala Sitharaman. This is a dream which I never expected, and I also never expected that my product produced in Deccan Hydraulics can also get me Star Exporter award. And it was very nice occasion in the Vigyan Bhavan, Delhi to receive that. Shall I tell one more weakness of me? On that day, all received that Export Excellence Award wearing full suit. I was the only man wearing Gandhi dress, slag and pant. You will see. So now friends, I will give brief presentation about my company, which was started with 5 employees. Now in this company, more than 350 employees are there, and different business establishments all put together. As a proud owner, the employee strength is more than 700. I never expected that I can give employment to more than 700 employees. And I continued in BEML. I would have worked up to 2012 February. And one Ramakrishnappa would have come out. Today it is not one Ramakrishnappa. There are 700 Ramakrishnappas working in different sectors. Why I gave, and no, I will give description, presentation about Deccan Hydraulics. Just you can note down if you have any doubts. At the end of our session, we will start question and answers. And I know you are all intelligent. I was also intelligent. But when I completed my diploma, I am only a diploma holder in mechanical engineering. Department. When I was asked to speak few words about the institution on the valedictory function day, or when I am coming out, my legs were shaking. Fear. I could not speak of it. Okay, but the race generation here, 50 years back I am referring to. Now, I know you will not be Sheikh Abdullah. You will be what you are. Right? Go to our presentation. Deccan Hydraulics is at Bangarpet. Actually, it is in KGF. KGF and Bangarpet is all twin towns. Just he will take you through the presentation. As and when it is necessary, I will
Everybody, my name is Jagdish and I am working as a business development in Deccan Hydraulics from 2015. And coming to the presentation, we are having one room fabrication with common surface treatment.
we will just go fast because there are few technical words, technical phrases that is not required for this session. We will go fast. Wherever you have some doubts, you can note down. When there is a question and answer session, when there is question and answer session, you will note down and you will give answers. Okay? We will go fast. Brief about only company and not technical or too much technical aspects. Only.
These are our milestones. We have established as a partnership in 1992 and we got ISO 9002. This is the necessary certificate that time. In 1996 we got this. That time in 6th in Karnataka and 8th, 7th in India as a small scale industry. In 1998 we got ISO 9001. In 2000 we converted into private limited. So these are the milestones and in 2018 we got IATF 16949. This is the necessary certificate for the automotive industry. And we 2021 to till now we got Export Excellence Awards.
2 years, 5 years, 10 years. That plan you have. And during that plan, you set your goal. Focus on how to achieve that. Daydream and plan it to achieve it. How to plan? How to plan? Do it as per your plan. Check whether whatever you are doing to achieve your plan is on proper track or not. Then act on that to improve upon and achieve the goal. You know what is my daydream today? My daydream. I am from BEML. I want to become bigger than BEML. Anybody can dream. Anybody can dream. I am not paying anything to dream that I should become richer than BEML. You also can dream. I want to become richer than Ramakrishna Baba. Will you accept the challenge? No, don't sleep. Don't sleep. I will be asking these questions when we are in question and answer session. All of you should get ready mentally to tell me what is your daydream. Your daydream should be too big. My company's turnover is today it is around 100 crores. But what I am planning is 5,000 crores BEML. I want to cross that limit. Am I wrong? I can dream anything. Achieving that, I should plan, do whatever is necessary to achieve that plan. Check whether I am doing the right job to achieve the BEML goal or not. Then, if generally it will fall deficient, it will be deficient. Again, act on the deficient portion to see that you climb up and achieve your daydream. So before you go out, you are telling your daydream, what you want to become. Maybe I am looking at the girls, boys you will be sleeping, I know. First, I will attack only boys. Because for you there is no day, there is no night, and this one. Whereas girls, they will have so many restrictions. You all have to set your daydreaming and achieve that. Here, for me, no. I said my business will be more than BEML business. What is my plan? What is that I have to do? What is that? How to check? What is that I have to check to achieve BML business? Then what is that I have to act? So that portion. Now we have selected a new project. It will be presented to you only for 2 minutes plus video is there. That product we are launching next month, that is April. From April we are going to launch that vehicle, and sales and all you can ask questions.
Ekar Hydraulics ಇಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಲಾಂಚ್.
Brand name is Ashwa. Brand name is Ashwa.
ಎನಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ನೀವು ಹಿಂದೆಯಿಂದ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು 35, 45, 65. ಈ ಒಂದೇ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ 65 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
This is not Deccan Hydraulics company. This is Aethon company. Deccan Hydraulics is my company. Aethon is my son's company. Will it make any difference? Will it make any difference, sir? It makes, young one, young that he should play his role. I am traditional man. I will play my role. But you know, business how it goes. 90% of the products that are required for this vehicle is manufactured by Deccan Hydraulics. Clear? One of the vehicles we have some tie-up with Indian Government Institute. They gave me 3 crores now as grant for to develop one of the Aethon vehicle. On October 2nd, Kumar Swamy sat in the cleaner seat. Our manager, he operated this at Indian Institute of Science. We are developing that product. They will be giving us 12 crores. This is what is expected. So like that, my daydream, when I said I can compete with BML, this is my product. Is my product. You know, cheapest one is 28 lakhs, costliest one is 40 lakhs. They are all used in number 1 defense, border roads, then to plug arcanite, coconut, then palm trees. They are going to export this to Malaysia also. They want more numbers with the facility to harvest palm nut. Okay, this is where I want to do more business to compete with BML. Now, with this I will end. I think you are all tired and waiting for break. ಇದೆಯಾ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Questions? If you don't have any questions, you can ask. And I always follow a certain system. One thing, if I am there, I will maintain punctuality. That is what I was stressing with Mr. Kiran Kumar. My golden tips to you is, if you want to really become successful human being on this earth, you have to maintain punctuality. If our college starts at 10, be here 5 minutes early, never half minute late. I repeat again, maintain punctuality. College starts at 10, be 5 minutes early, no problem, not half minute late. This should be applied in your house, in your residence. You are already commanding your mother, grandmothers, etc. Mummy, aita uta, adaita, idata. You will be tell her that I am coming for lunch at 8 o'clock. Be there at 8 o'clock. Nothing will happen even if you go at 8:05. But don't learn that third class formulas, going late, going early, all sorts of things. So that means you have to maintain punctuality. And whatever you do, tell only that. Generally, she will think that these two people are idiots because I am smart, I am intelligent. I am never you underestimate the other fellow who is in front of you. The other fellow with whom you are speaking, you should remember that he is highly intelligent, he is sharp. Given an opportunity, he will outbeat you. That you should keep in your mind. And plan your life. You should also daydream. Dream and to achieve more and more. Our neighbor, whatever is happening, there is a weakness in our community that our elders always says, ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಮ್ಮ, ಇದು ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. All grandpas, grandmothers, parents, everybody including elder brothers, they will say, this is not possible by you. You should beat that negative statement from your elders and achieve whatever you want to achieve. That is possible. And I planned for leaving BEML 19 years earlier than my retirement age. I was the only person who was for leaving BEML and start this hydraulics. No one else in the family, friend circle, relative circle accepted my decision. And I know I am seeing my growth, and I know I will not fail. I have my confidence on me. You should have confidence on me. Like that you should decide. They say move forward. Nothing can stop you. And don't think that you are all only in Kola district. You have your bombs, Vemagal Industrial Estate, then Kaivar, near Kaivar, there is industrial estate coming up. You will all will be crushed and flattened and buried in the earth if you are not waking up now. These are all the giants that are coming and doing business in Vemagal Industrial Estate and also near Kaivar. What is that village called? Mastenali. Yeah. You know, Mastenali, we are now finding it difficult to get land in Masdanari. That much demand is there. So you all will want to become officers in this industrial estate or become laborers. You all should become managers, executives. Become or CA person headed Ashok Leyland for 11 years. Sheshashai was his name. He was heading, he was chairman and managing director of Ashok Leyland for 11 years. So that means it is not the technical qualification what is required to manage an industry. It is the capacity to manage industry. Become is also fine. And I know you will pick up, you should not butter them. No buttering. Do right job. Satisfy first yourself, then you will do. And that such satisfactions will give you returns. But if you do same thing in government establishments, what your boss will tell you now, I got this done through her. I got this done through her. When it is successful. If it is not successful, he will say to his boss, this is the girl who did this blunder. He will curse you in front of you. So, to avoid that situation, don't opt government jobs. Government cannot give you all jobs. Join your neighboring industrial estate. Illegal industrial estate. This industry, whatever are there, they are world-class industry. Meet it to you. Tata, Mitsubishi, and so many other things are coming. Their boards are very small, you may not be seen, but you are living with all giant companies, and there also giant companies will there. So from Osu, Malur, Narsapur, Vemagal, you are a place. Then Devanahಳ್ಳಿ, Abbotsford. This is the industrial belt. If you have lands in and around this belt, 20 kilometers this side of the road or 20 kilometers this side, don't sell that property. Don't sell that property. What you will do? You have 4 acres property, come to me, I will see that you earn lakhs. I have property, I have land. I have 60. For me, I always get ready to the worst situation. Suppose if Deccan goes wrong, Yathan goes wrong, what next? I cannot stop eating. I have farm. Where? 60 acres farm. Where? 3,000 mango trees are there which are yielding. Only 10,000 sandalwood trees are there. Only how many? 10,000. Only 10,000. You can estimate 10,000 close, 10,000 sandalwood trees are there. In your 4 acres also, you can accommodate 1,600 sandalwood trees. There is no crop for the farmer which gives you crores other than sandalwood. But if you say sandalwood, your family members will bounce on you and bite you. Because they are all susceptible for more robbery. But I have also that fear. But if I have gold and jewels, will I leave just like that to robber to take this? Nothing doing. I have all 60 acres total fencing. We are putting electric fence. We are having two Mudol dogs. We have solar lights everywhere. Right now around 50 are there. We are going to put more than 300 solar lights. That will be cheaper instead of losing 2-3 sandalwood trees. Then I have 200 goats. I have 400 sheep. I have 26 cows. naughty Koli. If all of you come one day and attack my forum, I cannot send with empty stomach. I can cut my naughty Koli and get you good food. Okay. With all these things, friends, I stop my whatever I wanted to give because you are all my Kolar district fellows. Let me see how many of you become competitor of me. More competitors, I will be more happy. You should compete with these people who started industry in Vemugal, Eva, Narsapur, all such things. And we are all highly intelligent, I said. But if you don't mend that blunt pencil, it will not be fit for writing. Okay? Thank you so much. Now, questions. I have 5 questions from anybody. I will give preference to
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
question ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. There are our laptops. We can get into the person who wants it. That is possible today. On that day when I started, it was totally blind wall. You are not knowing what it is there behind that wall. That was just no. You can get the put hold all or require for products. You know how all automobile people who wants to supply to defense, only our hydraulic jack is approved. No other jack is approved. That is a great achievement. Okay. Then my net answer is that. Okay. Amma, evening answer.
ಗಾಡಿ
I cannot answer that complicated question.
ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂತ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂದ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಈಗ ಆರತಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ?
ಹಸಿವು ಒಂದೇಳ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಹಸಿವು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ hungry here, not in your KRS dam, not in your KRS dam. This subsides your real hasivu. If you are hungry to become richer than my uncle, that was the hungry triggering point which made me to answer. You know, when I started this in 92, I could become richer than him in 2006 only, not earlier than that. Only in 2006 I could become. That answer?
Thank you, sir.
You are all very rich. You are all from rich families. And compared to my those days, I am rich now. I am rich now with my efforts. You can always definitely ask. Let it be a silly question, no problem. But I am a person from this place. Any silly question will be properly understood by me and communicate to you. I think we have started from wrong place. From this place, you can ask any question. Any question.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸರ್, ನನಗೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸೇ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸ್ತೀನಿ?
More money. To earn more money, business is the only channel. For me to become richer than my uncle, that was the only way. Otherwise, 4,700 rupees per month, what I can save? I cannot save. Got your answer, Amma? Only business. Hey, you learn from Chintamani people. Wonderful business people they are. Then you can also ask, What made you to start this hospital in Chintamani? Why not in Murubagal? You are from Murubagal, you should have started. These are all simple questions which you should have asked later on. Anybody from nearer to Chintamani? Very close to Chintamani. Anybody is there? Why I should start my hospital in Chintamani means I made sufficient money in Deccan Adults. The saving was so much and the money spending was too tight. I never used to waste even 1 rupee. More money accumulated. On that day, when I was here in Chintamani for 3 years to complete my diploma, I have seen the way people are working. I liked them, loved them. I wanted to send every year 5 people from Murubagal to this place. Then I get back after 2 years and make that area, Murubagal, to become rich. Learn that busy entrepreneurship from Chintamani. Went there, searched for some oil mill, rice mill. I could not get. Then I saw this hospital. On that day, it was Ashwini Hospital. I purchased it because it was to my liking. Then modified it and got it. You know how much I earned in the first 5 years? First 5 years, the total loss in the Chintamani Hospital was 6 crores. 5 years, 6 crores loss. Lifted my hands. But at all the corrections I made, I have planned my work. I was doing it, checking it, correcting and upgrading it continuously. After 6 years, it started giving returns. Today, we are building 2 floors. 78 one floor, so another 78 squares other floor. To give to rich people who wants private rooms. Okay. My loss was 6 crore, 5 crores. 5 years, 6 crores. 5 years, 6 crores. So loss is inevitable. Don't get scared. Loss will be there. Next. I got your question. So I started in Chintamani. I gave. Started your hospital in Chintamani. Why not in Murubagal?
How our passion should become rich, to become rich.
First of all business will people teach you. And telling lies.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಗುಣಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳೇನು?
Very simple. 99% you should have money.
ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು. ಮಾ, ಗೋ ಹೆಡ್.
ಸರ್, ಕಂಪನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಈ ಕಂಪನಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಸಾಕು,
ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ,
ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾವತ್ತಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ?
I am going to live for next 100 years. I will not get tired here. No. ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವನೋ ತಲ್ಮಾಸ್ದವ್ನು ಕಟ್ಕೋತಾನೆ, ಅವನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. I am going to control him. All should control him. You should rule him. Okay na? ಗಂಡಸ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Deccan Hydraulics, how I got? I wanted to keep my company's name as Karnataka Hydraulics. Because I am from Karnataka, I wanted to keep the name as Karnataka Hydraulics. Karnataka Hospital, all such things. But that will not sound well when I go to other places. If I now with Karnataka Hydraulics, if I supply to customers of Tamil Nadu during Kaveri water issue, they will kill me. If there is a Belgaum issue, Maharashtra customers will kill me. Why I get killed from those people? Let me lead a happy life by keeping Deccan Plateau, part of Telangana, part of Andhra, all these things. Okay. For this name to decide, I took 6 months. Okay. Right.
Super.
Earlier, we used to get average 67 post covers from customer end, from government departments, etc. Today, because of this website and emails, we are not getting any postal covers, no wastage of paper, all through internet. Okay? How fast it is. For us to get earlier, we used to get drawing, quotation, everything. It was taking 10 days. Whereas through whatever he is presenting, all are happening within a day. Morning we get the drawings. Before 2 hours, we will complete quotation, technical clarifications, everything. By end of this day, we will be getting the orders. That is the speed at which we are working. Earlier it was somewhere between 10 to 15 days. Now with the advent of technology, we are very, very fast. Now in your college,
ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮೃತ ಹಸ್ತಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು.
indirectly I have answered. Earlier it was only Deccan Hydraulics. It was giving me about 100 crores per annum. Now with this vehicle, Ethan, there are 5 models. All these for agriculture requirement, Indian Institute of Science, they will use artificial intelligence, all those things, and they will build further requirement on Ethan vehicle. Then there is one Adbut, like that be different, this one are there. And out of this one of the model will be used in border areas. Punjab border, Gujarat border. In borders, right, even today, our soldiers are using camel for their movement, for attacking the enemy. Now, with this one of the models, it can go very fast in the desert also. There, our business is there. Then, this new roads and wherever they are built, to go to the dead end of the road before earthwork is completed, these vehicles are used. Then in the defense also, when there is Malaysian A361 vehicle really met with an accident. To reach such inaccessible places, our vehicles are used. So that vehicle is 40 lakhs per vehicle. The agriculture base is 28 lakhs. Now, can I not compete with this price margin? I am going to reach it. I am going to achieve my daydream with this high-end vehicles.
Sir, one more.
He asked you.
No. I was there. So only. You told me Deccan ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರಾಗಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕಬೇಕು when there are many more products?
See, one more good question.
Answer from the mic, sir.
One more good question. Always there is a blessing factor by God. God should bless you. God should bless you. Then only you will have some. Just like that comes up in business. So that was there for me. That made me to work in hydraulics of BEML for more than 19 years. 19 years I worked for BEML bulldozers and dumpers hydraulics. There I got expertise. Remember one thing, that expertise, one word. Wherever you are going to work, you become expert in that field. You become expert in that field. You will be recognized only if you are expert. With the diploma qualification, I was identified in BEML hydraulic circle, one of the experts, with diploma only. There were postgraduates, engineers, so many people are there. But why? Because that decision to achieve one of the hydraulic aggregate, mine was a sharp decision. So that comes out of common sense. Technical experience, common sense, it comes. You all have, in fact, we Kolar people are very, very intelligent people. That you are forgetting. You are all very intelligent, but shy. If I ask that question, you may feel you will ridicule me. She will ridicule me. No such things. I have doubt. I should get it clarified. This you should adopt. I am from your place only. You can ask any silly questions. Don't ask matrimonial these things. Good girl, good boy. Such things you don't ask me. I will be a wrong person. Ask how to achieve my goals. Clear?
Dear students, we are ending up the program. Kindly, please be attentive. Ramakrishnappa sir has already shared his experiences